Imagine this now, a twister packing winds more than 130 miles per hour slamming into a neighborhood just south of Dallas. Late last night, 8 people were hurt and more than 50 houses there and businesses were damaged.
My goodness, Larry Collins spoke with people in Waxahachie today who say despite that damage, they're counting their blessings.
A scary night of some wicked weather in Waxahachie, Texas, south of Dallas, making for a busy day of cleanup for many in this region. Like this home here in Waxahachie, as you can see, the trailer that was parked behind this home, the wind picking it up, pushing it against this home. Right behind there is a back porch. The window's busted out. You see they've already started cleaning up quite a bit. They've put as much tarp up as they can, but they've got a lot more left because there's a lot of work to do. Not too far from here, their barn has been almost destroyed. The roof and parts of it has been ripped off. I want to show you this video as well. Take a look at this. This is along the Interstate 35E, just south of Waxahachie, where we are told a tornado actually crossed over the interstate itself. 3 drivers of 3 separate 18-wheelers were injured in that accident caused by that storm. We're told one of those drivers did sustain serious injuries. Now here, local officials going home to home, property to property today, making sure that not only no one's trapped inside, but that the residents here in Ellis County have everything that they need. In Waxahachie, Larry Collins, NBC News.